Today's word is yume. It means a dream. Let's break down the kanji yume. First, this kanji has 13 strokes. The blue part is called a yubei in Japanese. It's a radical, which means evening or a night. Let's look at the other components. The top part, which looks like the grass radical, gives us a clue about the pronunciation. This part is derived from mo, an old character whose sound carried into this kanji. The middle part is
meh,
which means eye. Think of half-closed eyes in a dreamy state. The bottom part means to cover, like something gently placed over the eyes. So, yume is a dream. Born at night, on the grass, with eyes gently closed. Let's see how to read it. Onyomi is mo. Kuinyomi is a yume. Meaning is a dream. Now, let's write it together.
yume,
夢
Once more, write with me.
yume,
夢
Enjoyed the lesson? Hit subscribe, give the video a like, and ring the bell, so you never miss our next Japanese lesson.